Hello everyone, my name is Angelo, and in today's video, I will show you guys on how to add a loyalty card to your Apple Wallet. So, the first thing that we need to do is to download an app from the App Store. So, the app is called like Wallet Pass. So, you can use any Wallet Pass app that you can find on the App Store. So, feel free to use what kind of app you want to use. But I personally use this app right here, the Pass to You wallet cards / coupons. So, once you're done installing this app, what you want to do is just open the app. I'll just click on allow, and then there you go. We can now start adding our coupon cards right here in Pass to You. So when I click on this plus icon right here, I'll be able to create a coupon card virtually just by applying a pass template, scanning a barcode, entering a barcode message, or get a barcode from an image. So you can choose right here what kind of coupon card you have. So you can either again apply a pass template, scan the barcode, enter a barcode, or get the barcode from an image. So feel free to choose which one you want to use. So as an example, I'll use the first option right here, which is apply a pass template. I'll just click on that, and then I'll be redirected here. So there are a lot of templates right here that you can use. So they have new ones right here and popular ones right here. So feel free to choose which one you want to use. So as an example, I'll use this one right here, the Dunkin' card. I'll just click on it, and then I'll be redirected here. And then once you're here, just click on next. And then from here, you can now edit the template. So you can change the category. You can either enter or tap to scan the barcode of your card, and then you can also enter the balance that's in that card. You can also add notes if you want to, and an expiration date if it has one. There will be an option right here as well that you can remove the Pass to You icon. Yeah, so feel free to edit this out. And then once you're done, just click on done, and then it will look like this. And then after that, just click on add. And then after that, once you're done making your card, what you can do is go to the three lines right here in the top left corner, click on that, and then go to all passes. You will see all the cards that you have made right here. So for example, just click on this card right here, and then when I click on wallet, it will open up my wallet app, and then you can see that my cards are right here in my Apple Wallet. And then yeah, that is pretty much it on how to add a loyalty card in your Apple Wallet.